Национальный, да? Да? Национальный, да, вы? Это народный, да, хлеб? Народный хлеб, да?
Да, народный.
This is how traditional bread is made. I saw on the internet how you make this kind of bread, but also in this they make meat, lamb or anything else, meat cooking. And it's taking about 10 minutes to cook.
Hello.
Everything fine?
Everything good, yeah.
Where are you from?
Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice. You are getting in Georgia from the Batumi?
No, we came from Kars, from Turkey. From Kars, we went to Vale. We came from Vale.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Borjomi.
You were in Turkey?
Yes, we come all the way from Switzerland with bicycle. We are
Yeah.
going to India.
Long way.
Yes.
And you?
From Romania.
Romania.
Mhm.
And where are you going?
I'm going to Uzguli
Skuli.
in the mountains.
Russian side, up
Uh,
north.
Yeah. Not in Russia.
Yeah.
Not in Russia. It's
Georgia.
a very beautiful village, like about 3,000 meters altitude is the highest in Georgia, and I think the highest village in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the peaks are like 5,000 meters.
Yes.
Very beautiful viewpoint from there. Yeah.
Nice.
I meet in Romania a guy from Germany
Yeah.
on his bicycle going to China.
China. Yeah.
Yes. There was another guy with us from England like a month ago. He is going from England to China. And we are going from Switzerland to India.
And I'm making sometimes worry about the motorcycle. It's a long distance, you know, problems may come. People are doing this with the bicycle.
Yeah.
Is it hard?
In start, yes, but after it's
You
just
get used-
beautiful
you
and
get used.
nice and yeah.
Okay.
We're taking our time. We're not
Yeah. We don't stress, we do.
You're from India?
Yes, I'm from India.
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
We're living together and married in Switzerland, and
Great.
we're going now to his home.
Happy many years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Nice.
since 5 years now, yeah.
Oh, great. No kids.
No kids.
Later, yeah. It would be hard. I saw a Romanian couple with a bike with stand, you know, with the sidecar.
Sidecar,
Yeah?
yes.
With the kids in the world.
Yeah.
No,
So you
it's
can
not
do
big
it.
for us.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
don't
I saw
like this.
also with bicycle they have like
Trailer
yeah, and
at
the
back.
kid was back and this. Yeah.
There is a couple, we saw that on Instagram. They are traveling around the world as well with their kids. They have this bicycle, you know, where you have a thing in the front.
Yeah.
This
Modern, like from Sweden.
from Sweden, these bicycles where you have a big bucket in the front.
Uh-huh.
So they both have husband and wife. They both have these bicycles, and they have both kids in the
Kids in the front.
For me, that's not
Those kids are growing up with so beautiful experiences.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
The best thing you can offer to your kids.
Traveling.
Memories, experiences,
Yeah.
you learn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And for how long you are on the road?
I'm from like 5 days, 2,700 kilometers, I think, from Romania. Yeah, in 5 days. It was like Turkey it's having good roads, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can
Highways
see.
are nice, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we went Turkey as well. We came from Greece. We went to Dimitri, all the way down from Mukale, Dimitri.
You have Instagram?
Yes. I come from this side.
They're not using it very often, but sometimes.
Yeah. Because we
But-
don't have a phone, and we have a phone, but we don't use it. When we have Wi-Fi or something, then we use it and took a picture. Underscore.
Okay. I will keep an eye on you.
Yeah. Okay.
Put great pictures and tell the story.
Yes.
Be
We
safe.
put pictures now, few of them, because it
Yeah,
takes a
I
lot
know.
of
The
time.
Wi-Fi, the road.
Yes, yes.
I know.
And when we have time, when we are in India, then we'll put these stories.
Okay.
And stuff. Yes.
Take care. Be
Nice to
safe.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice
Bye.
holidays.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
აკილარი ჯარიმდება და წარმოადგენს საბუთებთან ერთად დაზღვევას, ტრანსპორტის დაზღვევას. ხო, ხო.
Hello.
Okay. By the paper you will give me, I can pay with that paper on the border. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I just got fined for parking like this on this side of the street is no parking. I just stopped to take a soda and leaving not much like obliterating the traffic, but okay, rules are rules. 10 lari, I think it's like I don't know how much 10 lari, or anyway it's like 10 Jews.
ერთი ნახვით შევიყავარდი ყროყინად
Yeah. It's strong. Strong. This is Georgian raki, and it's very strong from fruits, all kind. And those are some kind of sweets made from oranges, from all kind of fruits. I have to try them.
Whew. Karu? Cow waterfall. Cow waterfall. You can stay here and eat. There's locals, some locals preparing food. This is some kind of some kind of cheese, Georgian cheese. There's a festivity here. Very nice place and very nice people. They're preparing meat. Meat on stick. The water is very cold. I already make a bath in other place. It was a remote place behind a local house. Nukri got me there. This is Nukri. Hi, Nukri.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, hello.
Nukri got me
Hello
there.
from Georgia. Georgia is very beautiful, very nice country.
Yes, indeed. So he got me there. There was a few local kids only, and you have those remote places where you can go if you have a guide like Nukri.
or you can come in a more public place like this. Anyway, it's beautiful. You can get here by motorcycle, or there are I saw like a bus, an old Georgian or Russian bus, if you know those buses, small buses. Guys, you have to come to Georgia. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah. But Georgian girls also are beautiful.
So he's the Russian one.
Also beautiful. This is one small waterfall. There is a tour because you can get only with the jeep maybe or a motorcycle. It's very rough terrain. It's 50 lari for one jeep, which can take 7 people, they say. And it's a waterfall like 900 meters for the sea level, the altitude, and the fall of the water, one it's 70 meter and one it's like 200 meters waterfall. So very nice to see. I'm not going there today because I was talking with my guide and want to go on some kind of village, remote village or something. Want to see a traditional houses and traditional food, traditional wine and raki, of course. So come to Georgia. You make special effects, huh?
Yes. Amen.
Yeah. So these kids, Georgian, they're jumping in waters because there are so many waters in this village, and so they're jumping in every water. They are having films on phone, on laptops, how they are jumping. Yeah. The other one on yeah, this. They are jumping from everywhere and they like, whoa. Georgian kids. Yeah, and they like, yeah, say hi. Very brave kids.
Yes.
So now they put a table for me to eat, and it's a traditional, no, let it traditional, wow, traditional food. Like they call raki or homemade vodka. They call chacha. Homemade wine, bread, cheese, honey, and all kind of goodness. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Honey, yeah, honeycomb. Yeah.
Honey.
Ah, yeah. You have those there. Very nice people. I'm going to eat now.
Ik ben er wel.
북한이가 전했어.
Go.
Yeah, you put smoke. You put smoke.
Smoke.
Yeah, you know, you have to put smoke. Don't put smoke. Don't put smoke.
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 Salam. Mesela quoi? Smoke là.
You don't put smoke on the bees
Là,
to make them chill.
Ah, true.
Hey, Chancho, Shinga, 이제 이거 더 기가.
My grandparents also have this honey beehive, and when I was kid, I was look at him doing exactly this. Yeah, very nice. Honeycomb. Honeycomb, yeah. Sănătate.
알아, 섭씨. 나티야, 샤지기 내가 다니나, 다나 김이 다나. 이거 다니.
Delicious. Very good. So sweet and it's sweet and flavored.
سلامه دادم شام بردی که کافی راحت نه کیشت کود خالشیم واو شدی زمان چیزی اجازه کمایی شدی
짜짜.
Chacha, yeah, with chacha, yeah, very good with chacha. Chacha is raki or homemade vodka.
괜찮아 짜자 먹을까
그래서
You keep this for
이 비나카 거기나 비나카 거기다.
my
신나카. 아마 비나카.
grandparents also have beehives, and they keep this for making. You keep this. Very good. The corn made from cheese, and you drink from it. So I got and that is also cheese, but it's smoked cheese. Also, this is smoked.
Yeah.
Smoked, and this one is also smoked. So you have, I have here beer,
Yeah.
beer, and you
Cola.
are drinking cola, of course. How old are you?
50.
15 years. Okay, you no alcohol for you.
이 슝쇼 두 어디
How
갔어?
you say?
Yeah, I said it was soon still good.
Yes, sit. How you
Well,
say?
well, I should
Cheers. Cheers in Georgian.
Yeah. Sadrak Delo.
aha sakatını sandırcıko
이거 조지야.
evet
슈도바, 슈도바.
Şudubam.
슈도바.
Şudubam.
Şudoba. შვიდობა პირველი საგრძელო.
შვიდობა.
შუდობა.
შვიდობას გაუმარჯოს.
Mulțumesc, noroc.
ხოდა ხოდიან, ხოდა ხოდი. ემერ სალმე რა გადან, ვიდე რა გადეს ხო? ენა მოჭა დობდოა, გიო, ხაჯირდა? Salome mo faccio, guarda.
So you keep you keep this or you'll eat it. You'll keep it or you'll eat it.
Koyarsın.
You'll keep it, huh? You don't eat it. It's hard. It's hard. Those are from yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
გადავა. ავჯი არის თემამეთი. ზე ჩამოდი. ემას დაჯი. ესეზე? რა თქმა უნდა. შემოქმნი გეწევა ხო? აი,
ჭინა
გამოჩალის ემას.
და ხუჭი მაგიონ შეგეთები.
Film that.
ადნას გადმურია. გადაუღეო იქეთა.
No.
აა
Jur, etmez ya.
ბაღაში ყიყინებს.
გიო.
ხო.
მოდი.
So this is better. You put it on fire, no?
Taşı gagete
ნინია ხურკის გემო.
Kedän 45 kilometre şey arıyor.
Okay. Uğep. Evet.
Ungere salameda qava ესე
Siyasi salamet takide kamsır gene переводно вена так до. Угучоно иде бана микулуадо.
სუმან დევანხანა ნანსიდო.
Varmaçı zibit karışımı makopçamı uktume dosi mudroz gapaulya. Aba emska jigir ko takor dazdo ukulina gigan marşuta gigonan mido. Tu musokanan.
So this is like a traditional Georgian house, yeah, and this is how they cook. They cook corn and also chicken. You know, on this fireplace inside the house, they cook chicken. It's like, you know, like I don't know how to describe it. You think by yourself, but I think it's very good. Cooking it like this, I think it's very good. But you have to have skills not to burn yourself inside there. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's so crazy. Look. No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
ქვირსო, ქვი. კილო.
ჩემია.
Yeah. Good? Good, huh? So, this is how you made it. Cornstarch, cornstarch, I think. Yeah, cornstarch. Or we call it mamaliga. Here in Georgia, you call it mamaliga, but mamaliga is like Actually,
Russian one, but
mamaliga in Georgian we call it
Homi.
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 Ah, homi.
It's a cornstarch with chicken.
Titila
It's
da
very
homi.
good. Very
Titila?
good. We call it also in Romania. We call it mamaliga. Yeah. So. Homi.
Titila homi. Chicken titila. Na America, na America.
Chicken.
Chicken wa America. Ama se spkhano. Esta mica aveva io.
Tati. Medico kam.
Pir komomi khoya.
Tati.
Дайте. Мамалига.
Very interesting. And the kids they are helping with the chicken, with the dinner making. It's countryside chicken. No antibiotics. No ease on it. Natural, all natural. Corn. Another food that is traditional in Georgia, they put on the cornstarch made there. They put cheese, and they mix the cornstarch with cheese. Actually, not cornstarch, corn maize. It's corn maize. Yeah, sorry, corn maize.